Hello and welcome to Personal Finance. At this point, you have completed all of the information in the resource folder. The Getting Started folders in the resource video helped you with navigating Accelerate as a whole. This particular video is geared towards helping you in my class of Personal Finance. I hope that you went through the instructor welcome and information so you got to know me a little bit with my video. And then obviously you needed to submit the Getting to Know You quiz in order to move on. Each week you will see an announcement either right here at the top of your screen or as the first item on here. I have placed this one as the first item on here because it does have a video that goes along with it. So again, make sure that you click on the announcement because it has important information to help you with what you're doing for the week. Now to look at the format of this class, you'll click on the first item on here, which is the Unit 1 glossary. These are all terms that you will see throughout this unit. This unit is about 7 or 8 weeks long, so you'll be referring back to this list of vocabulary terms for a quarter of the class. You could write all of these terms down, or you might want to print this out and have this as part of your notes. I do highly recommend taking notes in this class, and what I mean by that is writing down the vocabulary terms, because there are several vocabulary terms throughout each lesson, as well as working on the practice problems. It is a math class, so there are practice problems, and it is very beneficial for you to work through them. Those notes can be submitted at the end of the semester for extra credit. This is the way that your lessons look. So you'll have your lesson title at the top, and then it'll go straight into the content. So this first lesson is mainly working on some terminology. So it's explaining the difference between hourly pay, piecework, salary, and commission. So you'll want to know the difference between those. And then you'll take a quiz that accompanies that lesson. For lesson 2, you're going through weekly wages. So again, you need to make sure you're going through these examples so you understand them. So it's telling you exactly how you'd figure out how much a person would make for the week if you know their hourly rate and you know how many hours they worked in the week. So it gives you some examples down here. It also explains how to add up time worked. There's some questions on that in the quiz. So you need to make sure you're paying close attention to how to add time, because that's different than just adding normal numbers. So make sure you're working through these examples, and then again, once you get to the bottom of this, you'll see that they do have answers to help you check your work, and then you'll take another quiz that will be based off of that assignment. And that's all for week 1.